Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel, where today I'm going to be talking about the last of the Balm House beard oils that I was sent. 6 in total, and this one is the Morning Dew beard oil. Now, like all of the Balm House beard oils, it is a blend of 8 carrier oils in the base, and those are jojoba, argan, sweet almond, grapeseed, apricot kernel, aloe vera, hemp seed and vitamin E, and it produces the result is a very nice light golden oil that is really nice and quickly absorbs into the beard, left my beard feeling nice and soft, and gives it that nice bit of sheen as oils tend to do. Now, the scent for this one, for the Morning Dew, is grapefruit, lemon, peppermint and tea tree. Now, alas, it didn't work for me. Didn't work for me. The tea tree, tea tree's a bit of a powerful old one, isn't it? And for me, it way overpowers the other scents. I'm getting the peppermint a bit, but I'm not getting those beautiful citrusness. The grapefruit and the lemon, I don't get that at all. And I've warmed it up and I've given it a few goes, and I'm just not getting those in there. And it's a shame, because if that tea tree was just tamed a little bit, then you would get that citrus come through in the background, and I think that would make a hell of a difference. So real shame with that one for the scent, but we are all different. For me, I would say it's a tea tree and peppermint scent only. Now, comes in a 30ml glass bottle with a child-proof and indeed Zec-proof lid, with, as you saw, the glass dropper, which I always say is my favourite method of dispensing oils. It works the best, without a doubt. It will cost you £12.99 from balmhouse.co.uk, and whenever you buy from Balm House, it's free postage. Now, 6 oils I've tested. They've now got 6 balms, I believe 6 balms coming out, but the balms are coming out. It's a vegan, all natural brand, all handmade, small batches. They hold a cosmetic product safety report for their products, which, as you've seen, I'll put a link in the blog, is important. All info's correct on the bottles, and it is worth mentioning the cosmetic product safety reports, because people like Balm House, who take the time, who abide by the EU laws and regulations for these products, which fall under cosmetics, they send these off for testing, and they get a eaight or an A, and it's not cheap. It can be sort of like £80 to £100 per product. It makes sure you're safe. It makes sure, because some of these essential oils can be nasty in the wrong ratios, so make sure the brand you are using has got a cosmetic product safety report for their products. Not only that, these people are spending their money, they're making sure you are safe, they're making sure they do everything by the letter of the law, and then you get people that undercut them and go, don't know why they're so expensive, when they're not even doing it. And I think that is really jolly unfair. It's not policed enough, this, and I think it should be. Those that aren't abiding by the law should really be brought into account for it. That's my personal belief. It's keeping us safe. It really is. Anyway, I'm not going to have a rant. I've had a rant. Oh no, it's too late for that. Go and check them out. I gave this one an 85. Real shame that the citrusness didn't come through. And that is that. Rant over. I'm going to go and have a cup of tea, deep breathing, get a little bit more zen, if you know what I mean. Take care. I'm a nightmare. Once I get going, I don't stop. Moon, 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 moon.